welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you two projects which I am going to prove you that you can make a nice thing with cheap materials. And cheap is a cheap word, but this is going to be a low budget project. So stay tuned and I'm going to give you a walkthrough to these two nice little albums. Okay, first things first, I like to tell you how big this album is, and perhaps it was better, yep, that I have my ruler right away. Okay, so the first things I like to tell you that this is it's a 5, 7, 8, let's call it a 6 by 6.5 inch, and in centimeters that is a 15 by 16.5 centimeter. Alright, so that is the cover. The inside, the pages are 5 by 6 inches, that I know. But let me first tell you a little bit on the outside. So, lots of aubergine colors, love that. That's the reason why I absolutely fall in love with these papers. And I show you earlier how the papers are looking like. So this paper I picked up at The Action. That's a cheap store right here in my local town, and I love it. The store is only to be found in Europe, I guess, and most of the people who know that store knows where I'm talking about. It's a lovely store where you have so much craft materials, and once in a while I do fall in love with papers, and then it's hard for me to leave it in the store. But this time I grabbed it and I played with it, and this I'm going to show you. Okay, so this is the front. I used again some nice flowers, some leaves, some I still don't know what the worst of this fruit kind of a thing is, but yeah, I tried to make because these papers were at the Christmas section, and there were a lot of Christmas images in this paper, but I was not quite in the mood of Christmas because I just made a Christmas album, and I don't know exactly when this is coming to be online, if I get it before Christmas or not. But so that's why I skipped all the Christmas quotes, all the Christmas images, just to prove to you that these papers can be made with a little album without any Christmas theme. So it's definitely going to be a winter theme, but it's not Christmas related. Alright, so let's stop babbling and let's go into it. So yeah, this is the front. The side is white, and then this is the back, and we have a button closure, really simple. You open this up, and then of course on the inside just a simple pocket with a lot of place for photos and pockets, and I created some tags here and there with all the leftover papers. This one I created 2 incisions, which you can add already nice little things in here. And this I glued not down completely, so you still can add your pictures behind. Happy holidays. And then here I created 3 deep pockets, so you can, well, it's actually a harmonica pocket. And in each pocket I create a nice booklet where you can write things in here. But there is still place to add your pictures or letters or whatever you're gonna save in here. Then these 2 pages, these flip up, so you still can add a nice picture on here. Here I added some lace with a nice diary booklet, artwork, but yeah, it's a nice little notebook. Then this flips also up, and then this goes on and on with some tags in here. Still a nice spot for adding pictures, picture spot. This is just a photo frame, not a photo frame, just a leftover piece, pocket, page. Oh yeah, I am good with words today. Not never, I am never. Then this one is a nice belly band where you can still tuck your photo behind it, as you can see, all the way. And then this is just a nice tuck spot where you can add a picture behind right here. This flips to the left, this flips to the right. Still loads of places for photos. Pocket right here, pocket right here, where I already add a nice tag in here. So it's quite simple. Pockets right here with a nice tag. Here I did not add anything in, but as you can see, loads of places where you can add so many things in. So I did not put all spots, but I think quite a lot to show you what fits in here in this little album. So the pages are 5 by 6 inch, and that is in centimeters, that's 12 by 15.5 centimeters. So it's a perfect size to add your 10 by 15 centimeter picture or your 4 by 6 inch pictures. So it's a great size. So that was this one, and I missed, yep, that's this one. So let's go to the other one. Okay, the other one has a different story. It's completely the same album, only the design I choose. I could not resist. The images are so lovely, and I saw this also, so I thought, why not do 2 different ones? Yeah, I'm crazy, I know. But this is more, yeah, it's also, yeah, I don't know exactly how to explain it, but I'm gonna tell you during the walkthrough. So I use here nice light color flowers and this nice background picture and some lace. These images I use for the side, and then this is for the back. So I don't know exactly where you can use this album for. You can use it for your own, you can use it for your child, you can use it for your grandchildren. I don't know exactly if it's childish, because I do love the images too. So I think you can use it randomly for everyone who loves it. Alright, so judge me afterwards. Okay, so the first page, again a nice tag in here. I used some lace, I used a ribbon, bow make that. Then here we have a nice little bunny inside, and then we have also some nice pockets. The instructions, the construction is exactly the same as the aubergine colored, exactly the same as the other album. Okay, I am not that good with the words today. I don't know why, but something is not coming out of my mouth today. Same booklets, same notebooks. You can't live without love. Is that true? But gosh, I love this mouse. I love it. Live in the moment and explore the world. Love the images. Loads of places for photos right here. Isn't this cute? This is so cute. A lot of bunnies. A lot of bunnies. Make memories. And here I created a little tuck spot. So cute. Make memories. Oh, that's the same. Perhaps I can better change this booklet in another pocket. But anyway, fall in love. This is the same belly band. And here I created an extra pocket instead of a tuck spot. Well, actually it is a tuck spot. Again, nice pocket. Pocket right here with love. Again a tag. Nice pocket here. Oh, I don't forget, of course, another booklet, notebook. Last page, another belly band with a notebook. And the last page, I dedicate this one for myself. I have the same hair. Anyway, so what do you think? Is this specially for a child or do you love it too? I do love it too. But anyway, I think you can use this randomly. I love to make it. I love making it. So yeah, that's absolutely the best part of it. If you like to do it, just make it. Make it, and perhaps I can make someone happy with it. Anyway, so what do you think of my low budget mini albums? I love the size, I love the interaction, it's not too much interaction. Love the places, I love the pockets. I just love it. Okay, I hope you love it too, and please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. There are tutorials to follow. I try to talk in English and Dutch this time again. Okay, yeah, I tried. It's not perfect, it's never. I am not perfect, so I'm just doing the best I can, having fun, creating, crafting, talking to you guys. Just do it and enjoy it. Alright, till next time. Bye bye. Happy holidays. Love you!